I'm going to unbox a place for all my books. Ooh. Now, the page with everything that's supposed to be in here. Not suitable for babies. Okay. One two-sided village board. Four apartment boards. One, two, three, four, cool. Got my bookmarks. Solo game card. And 14 rival cards for the sample game. Let's see. One, two, three, four, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. These are, thanks to all our backers, other neat stuff. Other neat stuff cards. Okay, well there is definitely not 42 of those. There is. Interesting. We're gonna have to figure out what that is, because I don't see. Let's keep looking. Four lucky kitten tokens. We got our 4 social batteries. A bigger deck. 4 player meeples. And a Penelope token. And a backpack. First player. They are indeed double-sided. These books are awesome. They are completely wooden. I'm not going to count and make sure there's 130. But look how cute that is. Gilded. Beautiful. Beautiful pieces. The patterns are different. I love it. Love it, love it. And these are the 12 major accomplishment tokens. And there's supposed to be a bookend. Yep, there's the bookends. Lamp. There's the sun tokens in here. I saw it. Okay, one bookends, one lamp. This little lamp. Here's the bookends. Oh. And then these look just like the characters. So that's all of those. Okay. All right. A beautiful little bag to put the pieces in. Although I will keep them in the baggies. That's what I do. I'm going to look through the cards. Shall we? All right. Not the thickest card, but not the thinnest I've played with either. All right. This. The back side says major accomplishment. These all say little projects. There's a whole stack of those. Somebody setting off fireworks. These are these the player cards? These are the 4 player cards. Play. Yep. Okay. The rival cards. These are for Penelope's game. These are for the single player game. So they're going over here. They look like this. Okay, and then other neat stuff. So this deck, there's to be 42 of these, 55 of these, 10 of these, 14 of these, so then what are these cool little ones? With thanks to all our backers. No, it's a super cute though. I got this, I bought this on Kickstarter. I was a backer, so maybe this is just something special we got. End of game, collectible pin. So other neat stuff. So this might just be extra other neat stuff cards. And these look like the player cards. Do we have 2 sets of player cards? They do not look the same. Each time you admire it, gain 3 experience points if yellow is the most common type of book in your apartment. So they are identical to the other player cards, but they have a cool different back on them. Cool. Cool. Everything is here. Don't
Who
come
are
in
you
here.
talking to?
Don't come in here.